Hello class 8, good morning. Now we are in chapter 4, operators. So in chapter 4, what are the things we have learned? We have learned what are the operators, what are the operands, what is the arithmetic operator and what is the relational operator. All these things already we have discussed. Arithmetic operators are plus sign, minus sign, asterisk, slash and modulus operator. And relational operators are greater than sign, less than sign, double equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to and not equal to. Okay, so all these things already we have learned. Today we are going to start the next topic. What is an expression? What is an expression? So what is an expression? An expression is a combination of operator and operands which would result in a value. So an expression has got a both. It is combination of operators and operands, and both together it gives a value, gives a result, that is called expression. So like x equal to 10 plus 2 plus 5. So 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 5 17. So x value will be 17. So this is an expression. A plus b. A will be added with the b and it's the sum. So it is an expression. So see here 10 is an operand, 2 is an operand, 5 is an operand. Plus is operator, plus is operator. Here a and b are operand and plus is the operator. So what is an expression? An expression is a combination of operator and operands which would result in a value. And these are the examples. Clear? Now next term is condition. What is a condition? See, an expression that results in a Boolean value. What value? Boolean value. So Boolean means true or false. Boolean means true or false. So the expression which gives the answer in true or false, yes or no, that is called condition. So an expression that results in a Boolean value that is either true or false is known as condition. So any expression, but it is a different type of expression. What expression? It gives the result in either true or false. If it is correct, it gives true value, otherwise gives false value. For example, A greater than B. If the value of A is greater than B, then output will come true. And if the value of A is not greater than B, then output will be false. Same way, if A equal to B, see this is the relational operator, equal to. Already I have taught you, this is relational operator equal to. What it is doing, it is comparing whether the value of A is equal to B or not. If the value of A is equal to value of B, then output will come true, otherwise output will come false. Alright. Next one, A not equal to B. If A is not equal to B, output will be true, otherwise false. Now, so already you have done arithmetical operator, relational operator. Now third one is logical operators. What is third one? Logical operators. So what are the logical operators? These operators are used to combine. See, they are used to combine, add more than one condition in a program. So what does it do? When we have to combine more than one condition together. Whenever we have to combine more than one condition together, then we will use the logical operator. So what are the logical operators? These operators are used to combine more than one condition in a program. See, there are three logical operators in Java. First one is called AND. See, this is the double AND sign without a space is called AND logical operator. Then these two lines, straight line, are called OR logical operator. And then this exclamation sign is called the NOT logical operator. So for example, if A greater than B and this is called AND logical operator. If A greater than B and A greater than C. See, if the value of A is greater than B and again the value of A is greater than C, then only output will come true, otherwise output will come false. Suppose A is greater than B, but A is not greater than C, then output will come false. Or if A is not greater than B, but A is greater than C, then output will come false. So when the output will come true, if both the conditions are true. It happens in the case of AND logical operator. Okay? OR logical operator. This is called OR logical operator. In the OR logical operator, what happens? If any one of the condition is true, if any one of the condition is true or both the conditions are true, then output will be true. Like if A is greater than B or A is greater than C, if both are true, then output will be true. If first is true and second is false, means if A value is greater than B value, but A is not greater than C, then also output will become true. If A is not greater than B, but A is greater than C, then output will come true. Once again, if it is true, then true. True, false, then true. False, true, then true. And if both are false, then output comes false. Last one is the not logical operator. This exclamation sign is called the not logical operator. It reverses the output. It reverses the output means if input is true, then output will come false. If input is false, output will come true. Like if not A greater than B. Like if not A greater than B. Okay. So these are the three logical operators. So once again, today what you have learned? Today I have learned what is an expression. What is an expression? An expression is a combination of operators and operands which would result in a value. Like 10 is the operand, 2 is the operand, 5 is the operand, plus are the operators. A is the operand, B is the operand, plus is the operator, and when they are evaluated, it gives a result. Second, what we have learned? Condition. What is condition? An expression that results in a Boolean value that is either true or false, and it is known as condition. Like if A greater than B, or A equal to B, or A is not equal to B. So if A is greater than B, output will be false. If A is not greater than B, if A is greater than B, output will be true. If A is not greater than B, output will be false. If A is equal to B, output will be true. If A is not equal to B, output will be false. Third, what we have learned today? Logical operators. These operators are used to combine more than one condition in a program. Let's see. First condition, second condition. Both are combined by AND operator. When the AND operator, how the AND operator works? If all the conditions are true, then only output comes true. Second one, OR logical operator. In OR logical operator, what happens? If any one of the condition or all the conditions are true, then output comes true. Last one, not logical operator. In not logical operator, what happens? If input is true, output will be false. If input is false, output will be true. So today I have learned expression, condition, and logical operators. Please learn all this definition. Thank you.